Okay, so Bonnie last time was trying to eat me. Also, watch that video first. Proof that she was trying to eat me, or like scratch me. I'm barefoot right now, and those are scratches. Yeah. And they kind of hurt. Update, they hurt. Hello, Bonnie. Hi. Oh god, the camera's. Oh god, the camera's moving so much. So yeah, from last time, Bonnie tried to eat me. She got calm like after like 10 seconds or so. But hello, Bonnie. Are you gonna go hyper again or no? Are you up? And you're trying to? Are you trying to bite me? No. Oh, okay. I'll upload another video soon. But okay. Hello, Bonnie. And hello, Max. Those are my dogs. Okay, bye.